Welcome to Meditation and Beyond. Hope you're having a lovely day. Do subscribe to our channel so you can be notified the moment a new video comes up. Let's begin our meditation. Requirements for a meditation. Select a quiet, undisturbed place. The place selected should not be changed often. A steady, uniform posture, regularity, and a fixed timing for your practice. Sit on the floor in crossed legs, squatting position with a cushion under your buttocks. Or you can sit on a chair. Your spine must be straight. Place your hands on your knees, palm upwards. Close your eyes. Take 3 or 4 long breaths through your nostril. As you exhale, flex the body. Lose all the tension. Now sit still. Breathe gently without any effort. Just watch your breath. Do not try to regulate your breathing. Remember, you are only a spectator. As you continue watching, the breath gradually becomes very fine, and perhaps you will have difficulty in identifying the inhalation and exhalation. When you reach this level of consciousness, you can be sure that your body is relaxed entirely. Now you have relaxed your body, so do with the mind what you have done with the body. Just let go. Pay no attention. Don't resist. Sit quietly and watch the show. Peace. Be still. I am still. I am at peace. I am at peace. 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 I am now entering upon the greatest teaching accessible to man, for I am learning the secret of existence. The riddle of the universe is about me. I am now solving it. I learn why men die, why they are born, and why they live. I learn why men succeed and why they fail, why they are happy and why they are discontent. I have the power and the ability to live as long as I desire, to achieve whatever I wish, and the doors of my mind are now open, that I may learn how this is done. I now learn that man is the master of his destiny, that man is the author of death. I realize that death is a mental concept and not a law of life. I now realize that all negation is a mental concept and not a law of life. I learn that there is only one law of creation, the law of life. I am now developing the power and the ability to realize in my own life the one divine principle in which all success, happiness, and peace reside. And I thank the infinite spirit within me for the knowledge of this wondrous truth now revealed to my consciousness. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You're so worth slowing down.